Well, hello. Let's go ahead and draw a gingerbread man together. Let's get started. Go ahead and get something to write with and something to write on, and let's get started. Ready? For the head, we're going to make a little bit of a slant just right there. Good. Now we're going to bring this one down for the scarf, just like so. All right. Then we're going to make kind of like a smile of a scarf. Good. Now we're going to copy that angle, just like so, and then come down to end the scarf. Awesome. Now we're going to do like this angle is on this side. We're going to bring that up on this side as well. Good. Now we're going to go ahead and draw a hat on this guy. So we're going to draw a straight line right across, like so. Let it meet. Good. Now we're going to do another one. Line up there, line there, and that part is for the hat. There's the bottom of the hat. Good job. Now we're going to go ahead and draw the top of the hat. Do a little bit of an angle out, a little bit of an angle out on both sides, and then a huge arch, just like that. There we go. And then right about here, we're going to go ahead and draw a line straight across, like so. If you want to put a feather in his hat or put some leaves in his hat, you can do that too. Let's go and draw his smile. He needs a smile. There we go. Let's draw some eyeballs. Draw a circle here, another circle here, and fill them in. Always remember this, if one is bigger than the other, just go on the outside. There we go. Awesome. Great. Let's go ahead and finish the scarf. We're going to let the side come down, just like this. Bring it up, and do the same thing on this side. Good. Now on this half, we're going to let it fly off to the side like so. And then right about there we go. And let those two ends meet. And then like hairlines for the end of the scarf. There we go. Remember this, when you're drawing, you're going to work on your layers backwards. So whatever's in the forefront, that's what you draw first. Okay? Now we're going to draw his arm on his left side here. Just draw a straight line there. We're going to draw his right arm now. It's going to come off of here. It's going to meet the scarf. Pretend it comes all the way through. And right about there. Good. Now remember, gingerbread men have these circle arms. So we're going to make the circle on this side. And the half circle on this side, kind of like a pipe. A half pipe. All right. And we're going to come back to about right here. Okay. Good. And we're going to come back to as if we're coming back to about right here, even though we can't see it because of the scarf. Awesome. Now we're going to go ahead and bring this line down for his legs. Just like so on this side. And stop. And then right about here, we're going to start and bring the line down for his other leg and stop. Then we're going to do the inside leg, almost like an upside down V. There's the upside. There's the downside. Okay, and then the same thing here like we did on these 2 points. We're going to make like a half pipe. There's the bottom of that leg. And there's the bottom of that leg. Good. Now, most of the time folks decorate their gingerbread. So we're going to do that now. Let's go ahead and add some buttons on him. Here's one. You can add as many as you like. I'm going to do 3. There we go. There's 3. And on this side, we're going to draw the little squiggly lines that they usually put for like icing the cake. There we go. Yep. Same thing over here. And we're going to second that line because it's going to stay white as if it is the sugar stuff. Awesome. All right, let's do it again down here on the bottom. There we go, just like icing the legs. Great job, you drew a gingerbread man. Hey, let's go ahead and color him out, okay? You can speed this part. I'm going to speed this part up, so if you want to see what it looks like at the end, feel free to. I'm using the 2 different colors here. I'll put a link in the description below of the brand that I like to use for markers. These are a lot of fun. They have a fat inside and a thin side, so the fat is pretty thick and the thin side pointed, and so those are a lot of fun to color with. Let's get right into it. And there you go. There's how you do a simple gingerbread man. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.